So if you're a Brit living in the United Kingdom and you're a beginner and you've never made any money online on the internet before in your life, this is most definitely the video for you. I am going to be showing you a side hustle that you can start that you are mathematically guaranteed to make money online as long as you follow the step-by-step within the system. And I'm going to show you guys some proof of people actually making money with this system. Okay, so this person here has made £200. You can see the question, members, how much profit did you make in October? I haven't got the November ones yet, I don't think. I'll take a look. But this person made £200. This person made £405, £525, about £650, £78.40. If we go back up a little bit, this person made £650, £78.40. You can see this person made 1K, 581, 600, 220, over 2K, £1,350, 960. You can see so many different examples and numbers. So I just want to show you guys, this is from within the actual Facebook group that this side hustle, this company, they actually have that I'm a part of. So this is most definitely the best side hustle and the easiest way for beginners living in the UK to be able to make money online. Now, you're probably thinking to yourself, okay, listen, I want to make money online. I've never done it before, but understand you are going down the right path, even looking into a way that you can make more money. The reason as to why, you can see here, this article, it says the main drivers behind the side hustle trend, the rising cost of living. Well, side hustles can help you to be able to fend that off as much as you can. A second revenue stream, you should always have more than one income stream. Thirdly, a safety net is good. In this day and age, salaries alone aren't helping enough people. Flexibility, and last but not least, tech makes it easy. Remember at the beginning when I said you are mathematically guaranteed to make money? Well, this system is going to show you the tech that you need to be able to ensure you make money. Now, the way that you can start this side hustle and the best way to make money online if you're a beginner in the United Kingdom is by utilizing this system, this software by a company called outplay.com. And as you can see, literally, you can make money online with Outpaid and you can join over 150,000 successful members and learn how to make easy profits with match betting. Now, you've probably heard the word betting and you're thinking to yourself, well, you said to us earlier that we are mathematically guaranteed to be able to make money. You are. Let me show you exactly how. Now, what it is that I used to do before when I'd done these videos is I'd log in and I'd show you around the system and it would just blow people's mind because they're so overwhelmed by it. So what I thought to myself to do instead, what I'm going to do, I'm going to play this video from the founder, Sam Stoffel, and he's going to explain to you exactly how it is that this system works. And then from there, we can go, okay? But if you're interested in, you're saying, Jamie, look, I've seen the money already. I'm also going to show you the reviews that they've got. With Trustpilot, 4.6 rating based off of just over 2,500 reviews. But what it is I'm going to do, like I said, I'll show you some of those reviews. But let me play this video for you guys. And Sam Stoffel, the founder, he will show you guys exactly the way that Profit Accumulator works. Let's watch this together and then I'll come back to you guys.
Okay, so you want to know how you can use matched betting to make money just like all of these people. There's no luck, there's no chance, and as long as you do it correctly, you cannot lose money. Bookmakers give out free bets to try and attract new customers and to keep their existing ones gambling with them. And for them, this is a tiny cost that they're happy to pay because it allows them to get and keep customers that make them hundreds of millions of pounds of profit every year from all the gambling. But if you're smart, you can take advantage of those free bets, lock in a guaranteed profit for yourself, and then ride off into the sunset. You start by finding a bookmaker that's offering a free bet, and there are literally dozens to choose from. For example, bet 5, get 20. So you sign up with them and you place a £5 bet, let's say on Chelsea to beat Man City. You then go to a different betting website and you place a bet against Chelsea, and that particular bet would also cover the draw. So you've got one bet on them and one bet against them. And those two bets cancel each other out, so no matter what happens, you'll break even. But what we've done here is we've qualified for the free bet. So we take our £20 and we do the same thing again. We bet on Chelsea and then we bet against them somewhere else. And if you stake just the right amount on each side, you're guaranteed a profit no matter what happens. We don't care who wins, we don't care if it's a draw, because we cover all possible outcomes. And you can do this again and again with more than 50 different bookmakers and make close to £1,000 in guaranteed profit. We tell you which bookmakers to open accounts with, we tell you what bets to place and how to place them, and as long as you follow our instructions, you are mathematically guaranteed to make money. And after you've done the sign-up offers, there are hundreds, literally hundreds, of reload offers, which are basically free bets for your existing bookie account. So you don't need to keep opening more and more bookie accounts. You can do this even if you've already got loads of betting accounts. We never care who wins. We care about mathematically guaranteed profits. And that is what you're going to find inside our members area. Now, I hope I'll see you inside, but if you need any more convincing, give us a call, live chat us, or join one of our public Facebook groups and chat to other real people to hear it directly from them. Thank you for watching.
So,
okay,
you guys saw it there yourself. If, as long as you follow the system and the instructions within the system, you are mathematically guaranteed to make profits. No other side hustle can make that sort of claim. And that is the reason why this is the best side hustle and the best way to make money online for people living in the UK, especially if you're a beginner. Now, I told you guys, I'm going to show you guys some of the reviews that it is that Outplayed have got. 4.6 rating, which is excellent, based off of 2,653 reviews. Now I'm going to show you guys some of them because transparency is essential. There's going to be some negative, but as you can see, overwhelmingly 89% of the 2,653 reviews are 5-star. But let's keep scrolling. So Outplayed is fantastic. Outplayed is a great resource, not great customer service. I disagree with that from the experience. And just so that you guys know, I make my full-time income on the internet right now. I started off making money online with Outplayed. This is the first side hustle I ever got started with. Natalie May, the support is fantastic. Don't pay these people a penny. Don't listen to that. Let's be real. We saw results already. Everything very straightforward. I like the generous hand holding. Honestly, guys, outplayed.com is the best side hustle, especially if you're a beginner and you're brand new to making money online. This is the side hustle you should start. And if you guys are interested in getting started, you can scan the QR code. You can see it down there, or you can click the link in the description below this video and you guys can get yourself started. And this is what's even better, guys. They offer a free trial, so you can get started with no risk and you can then start to make some money. Then you can utilize that money to be able to get started within outplay.com. But let me guys show you guys just some testimonials that people have given simply just through the Facebook group. You can see here, just over 7 months of being involved in this game, and I'm over 6,500 up. That's amazing in of itself. Take a look at this one. I've just been thinking how getting into Outplayed has pretty much changed my life. I just got married in April, which was all paid for by the bookies. Phenomenal stories. Match betting has funded our trip to Egypt. Like these things are just amazing. Look at this. Just to thank Outplayed for my family's 2-week all-inclusive holiday to Mexico. 100% paid for by the bookies. Like, love that. Thanks to, at the time, it was called Profit Accumulator a few years ago. It's now called Outplayed.com. Thanks to Profit Accumulator Outplayed, today I have moved into my first house at 22. Just under half of my profits have helped to top up the deposit. And if it wasn't for those, then I couldn't have done it at my age. Guys, the proof is right here in the pudding. Look at these 11 nights, me and my partner and our daughter, including spends, all in 2,700, every single penny paid by match betting with Outplayed. This is what this business has the power to do. If you're brand new to making money on the internet, this is the best side hustle, the best business that it is that you can go for. I promise you, I have seen the results of Outplayed a number of years ago. I no longer do it now as I make a full-time income on the internet elsewhere, but the UK people, British people are literally yearning for something different and yearning for something more, a way they can make money without taking the big risks, doing things like drop shipping, doing things like becoming a YouTuber. Those things work. I'm never going to knock those things. I am a YouTuber. I make money off of YouTube, but they're not easy to get into. So if you're a beginner, this is the best side hustle for you. Okay, take a look. You know, this person's talking about their holiday to Turkey. Thanks to Outplayed. Without this, I would have never been able to become debt free, powerful. 22 months in and just hit 11,500 milestone. And lastly, we see this one of all the purchases I've made. From my profits, this one was the best, thanks to all the admin and support. And you can see they've got a beautiful new puppy there. So guys, listen, if you're a beginner and you want to start to make money online and you want a guaranteed way, mathematically guaranteed way to be able to make money on the internet, guys, listen, click the link in the description below this video, or click down there and scan the QR code if you're on your TV or whatever, and get yourself a profile set up and start the free trial. Follow these systems step by step, and I guarantee you will start to make some money and start to generate some profits as well. All right, guys, I hope this video has been helpful for you guys. Once again, if you scan down there or click the link in the description below this video, you can go ahead and you can get started. All right, guys, appreciate you guys. I'll see you guys in the next one.